Hey guys, Samsung just announced a new lineup of devices for Galaxy Unpacked 2023, and thanks to the kind folks over at Samsung Canada, I was able to get some hands-on time for a few hours, and I thought it would be super fun to share with you guys some of my first impressions. And if you're gonna pre-order anything, make sure to use my affiliate links down below to save some money and help the channel out. I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting, so let's jump straight in with my favorite product, the Galaxy Z Flip 5. The first big change that honestly makes this form factor so much better is the new bigger and more expansive front display. Instead of the small display beside the cameras like on the Z Flip 4, the displays are now stretched to the sides, including the little space between the now horizontal cameras. And now instead of only being able to display widgets, which are still on the front display, you now have the ability to open normal apps on the front display, which is game changing. It's currently a Samsung Labs feature as far as I know, but many apps will be added to the list as soon as they're compatible. And also now that the front display is bigger, it acts as a much better viewfinder for the camera, which is great for content creators or even group photos. This means that you no longer have to use the inferior selfie camera to be able to see yourself better. Another welcome improvement which a lot of you will like is also the new hinge this year. First of all, the phone actually does close shut now without leaving any gaps, and I'm not sure if it's just me, but the crease does seem less noticeable this year compared to the Z Flip 4, which is great. The hinge is also less tight and stiff this year, making it easier to open and close while being able to stay up at all angles. The corners on the display also seem more rounded this year, similar to the S23, which also has softer corners. Lastly, there are several new colors this year, starting with the new hero color Mint, which I absolutely love. It just looks so stunning and so fresh. There's also the classic but beautiful lavender, which I love, cream for those who want an elegant minimal look, and of course graphite for those of all who want a sleek looking phone. Interestingly enough, the glass back also feels a lot more glass-like and glossy to match how the front display looks and feels. And for the price, I only had the confirmed Canadian pricing at this time, which was $12.99 CAD for the base model, and I'm happy to announce that 256 gigs of storage is now the standard across all base models. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video so far and would like to make this young man's dream come true, I would love it if you could hit a like and subscribe to the channel for all the upcoming awesome Samsung content. Every sub makes a difference, and thank you all. For its bigger brother, the Z Fold 5, it seems like more of an iteration with minor but meaningful improvements. The first improvement that's actually significant is the much lighter and slimmer build of the device, which makes it much easier to hold and use for an extended period of time. It also gets the new hinge update from the Z Flip, being able to close perfectly flat, which is always a welcome improvement. The inside display has also increased in brightness from 1000 to 1200 nits, which is great for outdoor visibility. And as for the new colors, this year's hero color is icy blue, which looks fantastic and is my favorite too. The other colors are the classic phantom black, which we all know and are used to, and cream for those who want a brighter and elegant phone. It's confirmed to start at $22.99 CAD for the base model with 256 gigs of storage. Now, switching gears to tablets, the new Tab S9 series, which is also a minor upgrade. The first thing I noticed is a new design for the magnets that hold the S Pen. Instead of a full glass-like strip, it's only a cutout for where the pencil is placed, which isolates the camera lens and makes the tablet look more minimal. The pencil can also be attached both ways for charging now, and I feel like the magnets are much stronger this year, which is great because the ones on the Tab S8 were a little weak. And oh yeah, you can also place the pencil on top now when you don't want to charge it. As for the hardware, there are supposedly new and improved quad speakers, which already sound fantastic on my Tab S8, and also better dynamic 2x AMOLED displays, which already look amazing too. It's also the first ever tablet to be IP68 rated, which gives you a good peace of mind. And for all of you worrying about the differences between each model, don't worry because the speaker, display, and IP68 improvements are there for all three models. Oh, and a big welcome news for the Galaxy tablets is finally the best note-taking app from the iPad, GoodNotes. Samsung actually has an exclusive partnership with them, so when you buy the tablet anytime from launch to the end of the year, you can actually get 1 year of GoodNotes for free. And lastly, there's a new beige color option for all three models, which actually looks so nice, and it includes a white S Pen option too. You can still get the classic old graphite option though, if that's more your style. And for the final product, the new Galaxy Watch 6 lineup, which I unfortunately was running out of time to fill content for cause I had like 5 minutes left. But Anyways, what you need to know is that the Galaxy Watch Classic is making a comeback this year, and it looks absolutely stunning in person. There's actually no pro release this year though, so sorry for all of you guys who are waiting for it. But anyways, the first thing you'll notice is how much slimmer the bezels are now, which looks so good, especially on the classic version where there's barely anything left. There's also ever so slightly higher battery capacity now for hopefully better battery life. And as for software, I didn't have much time to test it out, but from the briefing, there's apparently advanced sleep tracking and coaching directly on the watch itself now, which means that you won't need to open the app on your phone to do what you want. There's also heart rate zone coaching too apparently, with an example of you being able to tell when you're in a cardio zone or fat burning zone. But yeah, that's it for the first look at everything new that Samsung is announcing, and I'm so grateful to have been able to view them ahead of time before release. Let me know what your favorite product is down below, and also which one you're thinking of picking up. Also, let me know what you want to see me review on the channel, and definitely help out the channel by using my affiliate links at no extra cost to you. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash a like and subscribe button, and also check out some other awesome content on my channel. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.